Have you ever wondered what baby food tastes like? If so, we're going to find out for you today. I'm James.
And I'm Austin.
And this is Today with A&J.
So, in front of us, we have 6 baby food pouches labeled 1 through 6. We are going to be taste testing them and trying to guess what flavor they are.
So when we do try them, we're going to be basing it on flavor and the consistency. Make sure that's edible for babies.
And then whoever loses has to fill their mouth with one of each and swallow it.
That doesn't sound too good. All right. So we're going to go ahead and start with number 1.
I'll go first.
I'll let you do the honors. Oh, man.
I know this flavor.
I'm going to guess that that's...
Wait, don't guess yet. Okay, ready to guess?
I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Sweet
Squash.
potato.
Okay. Squash and sweet potato. Oh, that was not good.
I don't think I even know what squash tastes like.
I don't want to be a baby. What was your first? I really can't get over the texture. Very grainy.
See, I thought it was very grainy, but at the same time, it was blended pretty well, though. Okay, so let's go ahead and try number 2.
I also don't know if these are like combination flavors. So I think I'm just going to stick to voting. Unless I can taste 2 distinct. You go first.
I'm going to go
2
first
distinct flavors.
Oh my gosh, that first one was bad.
I'm not looking forward to losing if I lose. Yeah. Good.
That one's definitely better.
Oh. That one's easy.
I would say that it's easy, but I'm betting it's a combination of flavors.
It is a combination.
It is a combination. You know what you're guessing?
Yeah, I guess.
I have my guess. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Apple,
Sweet peas
pear.
and apple.
Pear and apple. Sweet peas.
Sweet peas.
So far, this is going great. I'm having a great time.
This is actually kind of fun.
Yeah. Always wondered what it was like to be a baby eating food. Now I know. I don't remember those times.
Okay.
Oh, it was really creamy. I can definitely taste one flavor.
I know my guess.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Blueberry. You didn't get blueberry?
I got plum.
You got that one so wrong. Plum. What if it's blueberry plum? That one was a very smooth, thick consistency.
Oh yeah, very, very thick.
I did not like the thick part.
I'm going to try first.
Ugh.
I still have that in my mouth.
I'm pretty confident I got that one right. Come out. Oh.
I don't see how babies enjoy this.
I don't think they enjoy this. Everyone who feeds their kids this, you should taste it first. Oh. Okay, I get 2 flavors out of it. Actually, dang it, I got 1 flavor out of it. Can't eat too much of it.
Okay. I have my guess.
Okay, I'm gonna guess. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Cinnamon
Carrot.
pear.
Wow.
I doubled down on pear. Oh.
And cinnamon?
Yeah. I really get the cinnamon part. Why did I put pear with that? I don't know.
Ah, man. At least the consistency on that one is better than that previous one.
Ugh.
Oh. Oh my gosh, that's nasty.
Okay, I think I know this one actually.
Mm-mm.
I think I know this one. I don't want to keep it in my mouth long because it tastes very terrible. Does this remind you of any moments when you were a baby?
No, absolutely not. I probably liked this when I was a kid, but no telling. Okay, I got my guess.
Wait, what was I going to guess? Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Spinach
Squash.
carrot.
Man, normally we are on point with this guessing, but gosh dang. Spinach
Someone
carrot?
is going to have to put this all in their mouth.
Watch, we're both going to be wrong. And carrot?
Then we both have to do it.
All right,
if we
last
tie,
but not least.
If we tie, we both have to do it.
Okay.
Is this one good? Okay. I think I know.
All right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Strawberry apple.
All these weird combinations.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wow. Strawberry apple?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what number one was.
All righty. Oh my gosh. Okay, we both didn't get that right.
I didn't know they were so intricate flavors.
So when we went shopping, we did not look at the labels or anything on there. We just grabbed it, put it in the basket. Even when we were checking out, had to close our eyes.
I really figured it would be way more basic than this.
Okay, so what was it? Carrot, chickpea, beef, and tomato. That's scary. Wow. So we both got
Man, we almost
wrong.
deserved no points for that. A negative point.
Both got it wrong. All right, number 2. Let's see if that's
Here, you unwrap this one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So far, we're really good at this. What? Yes.
Okay, so
What is it?
next we have the white apple cauliflower and leek.
Okay.
Man,
So we each get half a point.
half a point. We both guess apple. So
Apple, cauliflower, and leek. Yes. That is a delicious taste outside of baby food.
yeah,
Mm.
I could definitely not drink that on a day-to-day basis. All
Number
right, number
3.
3.
Blueberry,
Dang it!
cherry, purple carrot, and barley.
So let's go ahead and give Austin a half a point for that.
Woo!
He guessed blueberry and I guessed plum. All right, moving to 4. Wasn't number 4 the thick one?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm winning.
All right, wow. So 4th one was sweet potato, apricot, papaya, and cardamom.
No.
So, no. Okay,
No.
so we both got that wrong. This one had the very thick consistency. Gosh, it's not looking good for me.
So far, my favorite, I think, was the blueberry.
All right, number 5.
Number 5.
I'm getting kind of nervous, guys. I really don't want to put this in my mouth because 1 or 2 of them I already did.
Well, we're gonna make him put it in his mouth, so. Corn, kale, carrot, and tomato.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I got another half point.
It's not looking good for me. I'm going to have to get this last one correct.
Completely correct. I'm a point ahead.
How did we not grab the ones that were just simple? Care.
Like 2 flavors. I don't know. I literally grabbed them like behind me and put them in the cart upside down.
Last but not least, we have kiwi, pear, spinach, and green garbanzo.
Yes.
Yeah, they're completely off. They didn't even have apples in there.
You gotta show them.
All right, guys. So on the scoreboard, we have Austin with
1.5 points, and James
I have 1 point myself.
With 1 point.
So, unfortunately,
looks like we have to watch him put them on his mouth and swallow.
No, I'm going to switch it around.
Oh, you got to put all of them in at the same time.
Okay, I'll do that. Oh my god.
I can tell he's really enjoying his victory. Foil is a hazard. Don't eat foil. 2 more. How's it? Thumbs up? Oh, I'm so glad I won. All right. So,
oh my gosh.
Gotta swallow it.
Okay, so as I was putting those in, the consistency and the texture of that made me want to throw up because it literally felt like vomit in my mouth. But good thing is, all of them together actually tasted pretty decent.
No.
With regards to this one and this one, these two were horrible. And this one has probably the thickest consistency of them all.
Okay. Well, that was an exciting episode. I'm glad we were able to find out what these baby food tastes like for y'all.
Oh, yes.
Be sure to comment. Let us know which baby food's your favorite. Like and subscribe to our channel.
And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.
And be your best.